And you see, good morning, good afternoon, whatever you want to call it, but it's still good morning to me, you know? Yes. Matter of fact, I don't know if y'all can see it, the sun is in my eye, you know? But, doing what I do. All right, how you doing? Supporting, showing some love, supporting, and showing some love. Oh boy, what the hell is all of this white stuff? I'm being attacked. Woof. Y'all see what it is. Look good. Oh, what I got on? That what? You know what it is. It's your boy DJ OJ. Our Big Butch Family Jones Entertainers, DJ BBFJ Divine Sounds. Alright, we coming. That's all I get. Just look out. We coming. That's all I can tell you. Surprises. We got the surprises. Watch out. Don't get it damn twisted, y'all. Some of y'all be getting me tight, boy. Y'all better not do it. Don't do it to yourself. Keep this shit. Stop the violence. Alright? Respect one another, alright? Let me run to the store. I love y'all. God bless y'all. Shout out to the entire team. I'll see y'all later. Peace.